Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
दे रहे हैं. अल्लाह बल्लू गिल्ले.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
A very good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. मेरा स्क्रीन निकाल वीडियो स्टार्ट.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, children. So, yesterday we have completed this chapter, respiration in organism. Do you all, any of you have any queries in it? Then I want
No, ma'am.
to hear it.
No, ma'am.
All of you have understood the lesson well?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So once again, let for those
Yes, ma'am.
for those students who took admission late, let us discuss once again the question answer of this chapter, so that they can also note it down. Okay. So come to this page number 112. Page 112. Take out 112 and kindly all of you don't make noise and mute yourself.
मैम आप सबको म्यूट कर दीजिए, किसी एक को म्यूट रखिए.
Have done. Okay. Now let us to the fill in the blanks. Question number A. Chapter 7. Those who have come later. Chapter 7. I am discussing the question answer once again for those students who has either missed the class or those who have not written properly or have confusion, or those who got late admission. So let us start this. Fill in the blanks. Lactic acid is produced during anaerobic. Yes, anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration. Second, insects have organs called trachea.
Trachea.
Not trachea.
Trachea.
Not trachea. Trachea. Trachea for respiration.
Trachea.
Trachea for respiration. Third, taking in of air rich in oxygen is called inhalation.
Respiration.
Not
Respiration.
inhalation. Inhalation.
Inspiration.
Why are you repeating the wrong answer again and again? I am telling you it will be inhalation. Inhalation, not respiration. Don't go. The respiration is the complete process. So it will be inhalation. Or you can also tell inspiration, not respiration. Inspiration or inhalation.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am telling inspiration.
Okay. That is correct. Adult human being normally breathes 14 to 20 times per minute.
14 to 20 times.
Yes.
14 to 20 times per minute.
Yes, yes. 14 to 20 times per minute. The movement of lungs is controlled by the
Diaphragm and rib cage.
Rib cage and diaphragm.
Yes.
Rib cage and diaphragm.
Diaphragm. It is diaphragm. Because if you will pronounce incorrect, you will write the spelling incorrect. It is diaphragm, not diaphragm.
Diaphragm. Diaphragm.
Next is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin acts as respiratory carrier in our body. Hemoglobin acts as a respiratory carrier in our body. Come to match the following. Lactic acid will produce what?
Muscle.
Muscle cramps.
Muscle cramp.
Muscle cramp.
cramp.
Stomata.
Transpiration.
Stomata
Transpiration.
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 Respiratory carrier.
Hemoglobin.
Hemoglobin.
Lenticels.
Flower from the branches.
Alcohol.
Fermentation of
Fermentation of yeast.
Fermentation of yeast.
Correct option.
Fermentation of yeast.
Respiration helps in obtaining
Energy.
Energy.
Obtaining energy.
Energy.
from the function of exchange of gas.
Exchange of gas.
Change of gases.
Exchange gases.
Yes, the process represented by the fluid
Aerobic respiration. In
Aerobic respiration.
aerobic respiration.
plant root.
Aerobic respiration.
Oxygen.
Yes,
Oxygen.
plant root
Oxygen.
oxygen.
Skin.
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 Now come to question answer. Question number 1. Define respiration.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Define respiration and name the types of respiration. Page number, you all write. Page number 102. Respiration is the general process.
We have to return the question answer.
Yes, question answer I am discussing. It is first question D1, respiration, paragraph, page number 102. Respiration is the general process. You cut the name of the general process. That you cut down the name. You write down respiration is the general process in which organisms convert sugar into biochemical energy using oxygen. And in page number 103, it is given there are two types of respiration, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Or the following. Crab,
Wireless communication.
man,
Lungs.
Lungs.
leech,
Skin.
insect, trachea,
Trachea.
Trachea.
transpiration,
Loss of
transpiration,
Loss of excess water from the plant.
stomata. This process is called transpiration.
the surface of the leaf, you can say. In number 106, you can take the help. Transpiration is the process that which plants lose their excess water through their pores, through their open stomach.
Loss of excess water also takes place through open stomata. This process is called transpiration.
If you all can't write by yourself, then you can take the help from page number 106. Okay. Then after that, regarding the term,
The number of times a person breathes per minute is termed as
The number of
Times that a person breathes per minute
the
is
breathing
called breathing rate.
me, those who are not
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Yes, ma'am.
having noise
Voice is very low.
you are having some background noise. The number of times
Yes, ma'am.
person breathes per minute is termed as breathing.
मैम गोपाल प्रसाद के घर से आवाज आ रहा है.
गोपाल प्रसाद
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. You are late. Again, you are having this noisy from your side, and you are unmuting also.
मैम गोपाल प्रसाद मैम अनम्यूट करके मैम उसके बैकग्राउंड से आवाज आ रहा है. मैम गोपाल प्रसाद.
Yes, ma'am.
On the screen. Okay, chalo. The number of times a person breathes per minute is termed as breathing rate. It is on page number 100. Name the body organ which
Bronchi,
Name the body organ which help lungs during the process of breathing. कौन सा body organ breathing में help करता है?
bronchi, lungs, heart, ribs, and trachea.
You can write down. You can write down nostril also. Nostril, lungs, diaphragm, rib cage, trachea. These all are the organs that you can name here.
Okay, ma'am.
Why do we need to breathe out carbon dioxide?
We need to breathe out carbon dioxide because excess amount of carbon dioxide is toxic.
We need to breathe out carbon dioxide because high levels of carbon dioxide in the body can be toxic.
Yes. Page number 110 for those who are marking for the first time. Page 110. High level of carbon dioxide in the body can be toxic, and so instead of hence you write down so. Carbon dioxide needs to be removed from the body. Okay. After that, next question. Answer the following question.
Repeat.
Okay, page number 110. There is the same question is given on that page, and answer is on the high level of carbon dioxide. So, that needs to be removed from the body. Next. Why do we get muscle cramp after
मैम
is Rohit Kumar?
आवाज अच्छे से नहीं आ पा रही है.
Rohit Kumar, some of them are discussing in their background. Why don't you sit at the corner which is free from the noise of your family members? Okay. Why do we get muscle cramp from after heavy exercises? Exercise. Page number.
We get muscle.
Wait a minute. First
We get muscle cramps after heavy exercises.
Wait a minute. Because they will get those who are waiting for the first time. Human muscles can respire anaerobically. Lactic acid is produced due to this process and accumulates in the muscle. The muscle cannot continue working for long. They get fatigued after some time, causing muscle cramps.
मैम पेज नंबर
104.
104 and 105 also.
And it is continued in 105. Till muscle cramps. Third line, muscle cramps. Till muscle cramps. Okay?
फ्री फायर बॉय आवाज कर रहा है।
सेटिंग्स में डाल दिए हैं अपने आप फ्री फायर बॉय लिखा जाता है यहाँ पे।
They are so disturbing. Why do they attend the class if they are not able to just make them noise? Whoever is this boy who is making noise. यहाँ पर जो बच्चे हैं अब उसका नाम भी आपको नहीं है। पता नहीं किस नाम से तुम लोग अपने आप को सेव करते हो।
मैम फ्री फायर बॉय है वो।
यस मैम, और मैम बोल रहे तो मैम
Yes,
वो
ma'am.
अपना म्यूट कर दे रहे हैं।
I am also
myself.
they are getting unmuted.
मम्मी
Ma'am, can I answer the first question of E?
What's going on? Who is this boy? Whenever I am pressing mute, then he is unmuted. So just find out who this boy is.
मैम फ्री फायर
Free fire boy. Free fire boy.
Muscle can respire.
मैम फ्री के नाम से बॉय।
मैम फ्री फायर बॉय मैम
How
अपना
are
नाम
you? Hi,
लिखिए।
please repeat even.
He
मैम
has
फ्री
said
फायर के नाम से।
in another way.
Question please.
Now see here, human muscle can respire anaerobically. Lactic acid is produced during this process and accumulates in muscles. Because of this, the muscle cannot continue working for long.
They get fatigued.
After some time, causing muscle cramps. Then come to question number
2. E2.
2. Why does a potted plant die when overwatered? Come to page number 106.
Because there is a space between soil which is used for getting air
Children, listen.
by
Don't start with because. I have not given you the answer like this. The cell in the roots of the
Ma'am,
plant.
may I answer?
You first listen to me.
A plant die if overwatered.
Please answer the
You all know
question.
very well, na? And when I will ask you verbally, the cell in the roots of the plant.
Yes. मैम ये फ्री फायर बॉय मैम डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है, मैम उसे लीव कर दीजिए।
मैम आपकी आवाज मैम उसको रिमूव कर दीजिए।
Okay, I'll see to it. Let it be. This happens because air spaces in the soil then get occupied by water and then
And this
prevent water from taking in oxygen that they need. You have to give an elaborate answer.
Okay.
You can write also. A potted plant dies when overwatered because. You write down this. Because
Air spaces
in the soil get occupied by water.
फ्री फायर बॉय तुम हल्ला क्यों कर रहे हो?
And that they need. Why are Stomata found in plants. Where are stomata found
The
in the
stomata are found on the surface of leaves.
Stomata are found on the surface of the leaves of the plant.
They are helpful in respiration and transpiration.
Exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen.
Found in the
These
plant
tomato help in exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen.
help in exchange
The function of stomata is also help leaves in the exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen.
Yes. You have said verbally, but I will tell you according to the
यार तुमका क्लास नहीं किया जा रहा है
page number 106. Stomata, surface of the leaf. Page number 106. The stomata help in the exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen.
And bus.
Ma'am, they are also used for transpiration.
You can write down that also. How is oxygen transported from lungs to the other parts of the body?
Ma'am, may I
The
answer?
blood, while passing through the lungs, picks up oxygen with the help of a red pigment called hemoglobin.
with the help of the
Blood
pigment.
is reduced to presence of hemoglobin in it.
The blood while passing through the lungs.
Hemoglobin transports oxygen to different parts of the body. It also picks up some of
Transport oxygen to different parts of the body.
Please move on.
The lungs,
Ma'am,
page number
110 and 110.
help of a red pigment called hemoglobin.
Ma'am, please repeat.
The blood
Unable to hear you.
passing through the lungs picks
up oxygen.
with the help of a pigment called hemoglobin.
Hemoglobin transports.
Hemoglobin,
Bus.
no. Hemoglobin transport oxygen to different parts of the body. It also picks up some of the carbon dioxide produced by the cells during cellular respiration and transport it to the lungs for expiration.
And transport it to the
Huh. Hemoglobin thus act as respiratory carrier in our body.
Okay, ma'am.
Draw a neat, well-labeled diagram of human respiratory system.
Ma'am, page number 108.
Yes, it is given on page number 108. You have to draw a well-labeled diagram.
Yes, ma'am.
Describe an activity to show that exhaled air contains carbon dioxide. Page number 110. Activity 3. To show exhaled air contains carbon dioxide. I have told you to write in activity. So you will write materials required.
Drinking straw, test tube, and lime water.
And lime water. Then process you will write from the book, page 110. And
Ma'am, may I answer?
Take a drinking straw, say last.
Tube containing
containing freshly
May
prepared
I answer?
straw in the lime button blue extend head
Anshu. Okay, you answer it.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Yes, yes.
Take a drinking straw and a test tube contain freshly prepared lime water. Place one end of the straw in the lime water and blow the exhaled air gently at the other end of the straw. We observe lime water turns milky due to the presence of carbon dioxide in the exhaled air.
You will write in conclusion topic. That is the process. Upper one, what you read just now, that was your process. And the last line is your conclusion. Describe the changes that takes place around the rib cage and diaphragm. Around the rib cage, what happens?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Answer. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए.
Rib cage. During inspiration, the muscles around the rib cage contract and move rib cage outward. In expiration, the muscles that lift the rib cage and lower the diaphragm and relax.
Diaphragm. During inspiration, the turn of the diaphragm lowers until it forms a nearly flat seat. Chest cavity. When the diaphragm lower at the result, the chest cavity expands.
The chest cavity
Diaphragm.
expands.
During inspiration, the muscles around the rib cage contract, lifting the ribs upward and outward, and lowering the dome of the diaphragm until it forms a nearly flat sheet.
The chest cavity expands.
Don't say diaphragm, it is diaphragm.
Yes, ma'am. Diaphragm.
It forms a nearly flat sheet. Okay. So you can mark it in the book also. Around the rib cage. During inspiration, the muscle around the rib cage contract, lifting the ribs upward and outward. Then lowering
मैम
the
ये क्वेश्चन आंसर मैम अपने से लिखवाई थी.
forms a nearly flat sheet. And what happens during in the diaphragm?
Diaphragm during expiration, the dome lowers until it formed a nearly flat shape.
What
मैम
I
डायफ्राम इतना ही था फ्लैट सीट तक.
this was about the rib cage, na? During it is inspiration. Yes.
मैम डायफ्राम का इतना ही आप लिखवाई थी.
Yes, but what about the rib cage? Rib cage में क्या लिखवाए हैं?
Ma'am, during inspiration, the muscles around the rib cage contract, lifting the rib upward and outward. In inspiration, the muscle that lift the rib cage and lower the diaphragm relax.
Okay. हम यही लिखवाए हैं.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
यही लिखवाइए ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Diaphragm में क्या लिखवाए हैं?
Ma'am, diaphragm during inspiration,
the turn of the lowers until it forms a nearly flat sheet.
The dome of the diaphragm becomes nearly flat, like a flat sheet. Chest cavity. Chest cavity के
diaphragm lowers as a result. The chest cavity
It expands as the lungs expand. The chest cavity also expands.
The diaphragm lowers as
when the diaphragm lowers at a result, the chest cavity expands.
Okay. Now listen, children. One thing, what I have given you the answer. You will, one of you, Omkar, you just again, if you have completed or anybody else who has written it nicely, you can again send it on the WhatsApp group so that those who have not written, they can note it. Okay? Anything more?
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Sure, आप लोगों को पूछना है?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
So one value-based question you all see in your book, page number 140. It was the 200-meter race in the annual athletic meet of the school. Shweta, who was picked to win the race, maintained a clear lead over others till about 30 meters from the finishing line. She then felt cramps in her leg but did not give up. She quickly took some deep and fast breath and continued running. Her presence of mind, determination, courage and positive attitude helped her to manage to win the race. Rita and Neetu, who finished second and third respectively, were the first to congratulate her on her success. State the values displayed by Shweta. What was the values of Shweta?
Mind,
Determination,
presence of
courage,
mind,
and
determination,
positive
courage, and
attitude,
positive
help
attitude.
Positive attitude, help her to
presence of mind.
presence of mind, determination,
Courage, positive mind,
courage, and
determination,
positive
courage,
Presence of
and
mind,
positive attitude.
determination, courage,
presence
and
of
breath
mind,
helped
Presence of
Shweta
mind,
to win the race.
determination, courage, and positive attitude,
Huh.
help.
presence of mind,
Determination,
courage,
courage,
and positive attitude.
Values you will write. Only the
presence
values.
of mind, determination.
Presence of mind, determination, courage, and positive attitude.
Yes. Then write about some situation in which you or one of your friends displayed a behavior similar to that of Rita and Neetu. Do you behave like this as Rita and Neetu has behaved? Have you ever congratulated those who win?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. When my friend win the math quiz competition.
What does it show? That you are positive, you are having positive attitude. It is not in any
Yes,
game.
ma'am.
Winning and
Yes, ma'am.
losing is not the fact. When we have a quiz in our class, you all start teasing others. No, that should not be the attitude. We should have positive attitude and we should always congratulate the others, those who have won. Okay? Then you will write yes for the second answer. State the likely reason due to which Sweta felt cramps in her legs. What was
Her
the
muscles
Shweta
required
felt cramps in
anaerobically.
her
Due to this,
legs produced in her muscles by the anaerobic respiration.
because of this, the muscles cannot continue working
Due to the
for the long.
anaerobic respiration,
Then the muscle continue. Then the muscle have to need
And the
oxygen.
muscles get fatigued after some time.
They get fatigued after some time, causing muscle cramps.
Cramps.
Very good. So what was the reason? That accumulation of lactic acid in the muscle caused muscle cramp due to lack of oxygen in the muscles. And when she took deep breath and tried to recover it by taking
She
deep breath,
felt normal.
in which she is taken extra oxygen. She has taken extra oxygen and then she was again ready and she won the race. The reason was that just accumulation of lactic acid and loss of oxygen in the muscles. Okay. So we have completed this chapter. Here is given here. Now it is said that we can note down the breathing rate while some persons are at rest, some are having brisk walk for 10 minutes, some are skipping 100 times. What record of the change in the breathing rate you will note it down. Okay? So this much is there in this chapter. All of you try to finish your written work. सब लोग अपना written work complete करोगे copy में.
okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, my work has been completed.
Ma'am, my work is also completed.
I'm telling
Ma'am, my work is also completed.
yes, those who have completed it is well and good, very good. You keep it with you, and once again when you are having any problem, please go to the spellings and all from the book, because we are not here there to check your copies word by word, है ना? तो अभी आप लोग का copy
Yes,
word
ma'am.
in your exam. What I see in your online test, so many students write wrong spellings. So you just take care of your spellings while you are writing. So for that, what will you do? You will
Okay, ma'am.
the answers. You will take one chapter by chapter. Don't take it at a time. Chapter by chapter, you take it and you try to write the answers yourself and get it matched by the answer which is given in your, as I have discussed it from the book. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Next.
Okay, ma'am.
We will end